People have been asking me how to get a sourdough starter going from scratch, and well, let's do it. Got my scale, got a vessel. I like tall drinking glasses like this. So what you want to do is you just want to mix up equal parts in weight of water and flour. So I'm going to do 50 grams of water, 50 grams of flour. Mix that up really well. And now this goes on the counter overnight, well, actually 24 hours a day, and then we'll see what we have tomorrow. My mind is blown. This starter, new starter, started yesterday. It has already bubbled up. I think it was about here. I didn't even mark it because I didn't think that it would do anything by today. It's already bubbled up to here. It barely has a bit of a nose to it, but it mostly smells like flour still, but it's bubbly. I don't know if you can see that. It's bubbly. And it's only been 24 hours. I mean, it has been warm here. It's 85 degrees here today in Ojai, so that probably contributes to that. So I'm going to throw away half of it and add another 50 grams of water, 50 grams of flour. Mix it up really well so it gets the nice Ojai air into it with the yeast and the bacteria. And now this is going to sit on the counter again until tomorrow. 48 hours ago, this was just flour and water, and now it's bubbly and alive. It's got a tangy note to it. Yesterday, of course, you might have seen it, I fed it, and it was about up to here. About 6 hours later, boom, it went all the way up to here. I mean, it was just really crazy to watch. It was still up to here, but now it's gone down to about here. And I'm just going to feed it again and see what happens tomorrow. It still doesn't smell like the regular starter that I use that's 15 years old, but I feel like it's getting there. So I'm going to throw away half, 50 grams of water, 50 grams of flour. Mix it up again really well. Put it back on the counter and see what happens tomorrow or even this afternoon. It's day 3 of getting a new sourdough starter going, and things have become interesting. The temperature here has been the same the last couple of days, about 85 during the day, maybe 60 at night. And if you take a look here, there's a liquid on top, and if you smell it, it smells sort of like alcohol. It smells a little funky. And what I think is happening is the good yeast and the good bacteria is fighting the bad stuff, and maybe it's up in the air right now. But what I want to do now is I want to discard half, and of course I want to discard the liquid too. So I'm going to discard half, add 50 grams of water, 50 grams of flour, mix it up real good, and then I'm going to leave it out on the counter again for another 24 hours and see what happens next. So the sourdough starter saga continues. It's day 4 in this guy's life, and it does still smell alcohol-y. Is that a word? And you can see there's liquid in there, and but it has risen again. So I'm positive. I'm going to keep going. And of course, same thing as usual. I throw away half, including that liquid. Add 50 grams of water, 50 grams of flour. Mix it up and put it on the counter again. Wait till tomorrow. See what we got tomorrow. It's day 5 in the life of this sourdough starter, and what can I say? It's starting to smell like a sourdough starter. I've been smelling that stuff for 15 years now. If you want to look, there's a little bit of liquid on top. It's probably still a little bit of alcohol, but I would say the good guys and the bad guys, they've been duking it out now for 3 days maybe. I don't know what happened the first and second day, but for 3 days, and I think the good guys are starting to win out. So I'm going to go throw away half, fill it up again, half water, half flour, and weight, 50 grams each, and then mix it up, let it sit out again, and see what it looks like tomorrow. Day 6, and I think the good guys are starting to win here. Oh, it's starting to smell really yummy. There's no liquid on top. It sort of bubbled up from maybe here to here. So we're definitely on the right track. I am going to feed this again, 50-50. in weight, 50 grams of water, 50 grams of flour after throwing away half. And then tomorrow, maybe it'll be time to bake. I don't know. It's day 7 and the sourdough starter is actually turning into a starter. Smells really good. There is no liquid. It bubbled up like crazy since yesterday. It's all the way up to here. And here I have 70% hydration dough that I auto leave for about an hour. 350 grams of water, 500 grams of flour, and I'm going to put 100 grams of this in there, and then add 10 grams of salt. Mix it up. Do the pull every 30 minutes for 2 hours. It goes in the fridge for 3 days, and then I'm going to shape it and bake it and see what happens. Well, I'll be darned. Bread from a 7-day-old starter. Looks like bread. Definitely smells like bread. It's not going to compare to the bread from my 15, 16, whatever year-old starter. This is a little flat. Also a little flat, but hey, 7 days old. Oh my gosh, look at the inside of this. Well, it doesn't really taste as interesting as 15-year-old starter bread, but man, it is so good. And that starter is now, what is it, 7 plus 3, 4, something like that, 11, 12 days old. Anyway, I just fed it about an hour and a half ago. And man, it is already bubbled up or bubbling up. Smells really great. Man, I am really blown away.